Sorry, they were very excited to see you.
期待看到你见你，大家都在这边。
Candice is also from Manila. We asked her help to translate every now and then, especially with VIPs like you visiting the city.
所以呢，我也会帮助你们，就是我代表马尼拉市政府，也会帮助那种特别重要的嘉宾来帮忙翻译。哦，对。
You have so many fans, even our elders in the city.
很多粉丝，老年一代也特别喜欢你嘛。对，很荣幸。
I've known them for like easily 20 years.
就认识他们20多年了。哦，我们就是各位非华少年总会的领导。
不但是年轻人，老人家也喜欢。
Him, 30 years make it. How many?
他跟施东方博士已经认识。
I've known him when I was 18 years old.
他18岁的时候就已经认识施东方博士。
10年前，
对，30年前。
He owns one of the best toothpaste in the country.
他的
Happy
牙膏牌子
toothpaste.
是最好的，全国最好的牌子。他的 Happy。
When you brush your teeth, you can smile and you be happy.
对，你用他的那个牙膏，对，他的牌子叫 Happy 开心。对 ，Happy， 他牙膏的牌子对叫 Happy。对。
How's your trip in Intramuros?
刚才在 Intramuros 你觉得怎么样？就是逛的还好吗？
对，我觉得这边就是非常的整洁，然后有秩序，然后非常的漂亮。我发现就路边有很多那种小铃铛，那种超级的小铃铛，然后就感觉好可爱，然后很亲切的感觉。
Okay, so she really loves Manila. A while ago in Intramuros, she feels that everywhere it's very clean, and also she see a lot of bells, like little bells, because she's a huge fan of little bells. Actually, her cell phone wallpaper is bells as well.
Really, you like bells?
Yeah, so she said that Manila is such a beautiful place. The people are so warm and friendly, and of course, it's also very tidy and neat. That's what she noticed.
Oh, thank you for your appreciation. You know, Manila is a very old city.
是很古老的一个城市，马尼拉。
And that's one of our challenges because there is a lot of old buildings here. But at the end of the day, we take that disadvantage to our advantage because these buildings, this city is old, but there's a lot of story and history.
这个就是马尼拉的挑战，因为很多这些楼都是特别旧的、老旧，但是呢，市长还是觉得挺好的，因为这些都是有历史、历久弥新的，很有历史的那种概念。对
是的，因为我刚刚在那个教堂门口看到那个小狮子，也是听那个导游跟我们讲，说是中国跟菲律宾就是一起合作的那个教堂，所以我今天能看到那个教堂，我也觉得非常的开心，而且感觉我们的心和心连得更紧。
Okay, so one of the highlights today is visiting the San Agustin Church, and she also saw there are a lot of lions over there, and then the tour guide also told us that those lions are made by the Chinese people. Their gift towards the Philippines, to us Filipinos. So she's really grateful to see that. So you can really see the friendship between China and the Philippines, even from way back. We've already been together as friends ever since before. The stone lions in San Agustin Church.
Did you see the behind the San Agustin Church, the ruins?
Oh yes, the Fort Santiago.
Oh no, the ruins.
We weren't able to visit.
Because just behind it, there is ruins. This is a remnants of World War II.
就是那个教堂，如果我们再往后走，那边有很多那种楼层，就已经是毁掉的楼层，那些都是因为战争的时候引起的。对，就是那个是一个纪念，就是让我们永远想起那个战争时代，所以后面都是有很多那种坠楼。
Ilang araw pa siya rito? Sorry ubos na yung English ko, 5 minutes lang.
Tagalog lang, okay lang. Tagalog na lang.
Ilang araw siya rito?
4 days.
4 days.
Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On Thursday, she's going to be.
Talaga. Yayain nyo sa Bahay Chino, sa Intramuros. But also I want her to visit Bahay Chino so that she will be aware that there are Filipino Chinese also heroes of the World War II.
OK，市长很希望你可以去我们 Intramuros 有一个博物馆，是叫 Bahay Chino，那边有很多英雄都是华裔，对，都是华人，所以真的是一个很有意义的一个博物馆，真的是代表我们华人在菲律宾，真的是做了很大的贡献给菲律宾人们，为我们这个国家。
This Filipino Chinese, they are more Chinese by blood, but in their heart and mind, loves this country because they start living here, born here, and fought for our independence. It's very timely to visit because we are about to celebrate independence on June 12th, and this is part of our history as Manilans because a great group of young Filipino Chinese fought against the invader during the World War II.
就是马尼拉和菲律宾，我们有很多华人。虽然我们流的是中国的血统，但是我们的心早已经扎根在菲律宾，因为我们在这里出生长大。然后呢，当时世界大战的时候也牺牲了，然后呢也是给了资源，就是真的想要赢得那个胜利，然后呢可以取得自由。所以市长是说，刚好也是我们的 Independence Day， 就是我们的独立节，所以去一趟我们那个 Bahay Chino 的那个博物馆也是非常有意义的。
It's a museum.
那个世界和平。
Yes, world peace now. We hope for
Oh.
world
They're
peace.
closed lang on Mondays.
Talaga? Oh. Kailan sila pupunta sa opisina nyo? Doon na kayo nag-lunch? So you saw all their activities.
因为我们的国家的土地挨的其实已经很近了，所以我觉得既然我们的就是土地域离得很近，我们的心应该更加紧紧的连在一起。因为我刚才听到就是这位帅哥，这位帅哥说，就是有很多华裔的英雄嘛，对，所以我听到他的这些故事，我也觉得但愿世界和平，真的是。
Okay. So first, she wanted to call you as you're the handsome guy. The handsome, oh handsome. She's handsome now. She's handsome. Oh, you're like si handsome. Oh, gano'n. Sabi po niya na parang since our
No, sabi mo kinikilig ako. Coming from her.
exciting to me. 这样子那种感觉，对不对？ So she's saying that two of our countries, Philippines and China, are actually very near each other. So it actually makes sense that we both should be very close, even like not just distance, but also with the heart. And then she's really happy that you shared about the heroes of Manila, and she hoped that again, her main is really like world peace and about.